Western control, the government has promoted the mass migration of Han Chinese, and the 8 million Uyghurs are now a minority in their homeland. Much of this region consists of desert, but it's what lies beneath this desolate landscape that makes Xinjiang so strategically important to China. It's home to 30% of China's oil reserves, a third of its natural gas and a wealth of minerals. China says it's brought prosperity to Xinjiang. But it's not a world the Uyghurs can easily enter, living on the margins of the economy. We don't speak good Chinese, this man told me, so it's difficult to find jobs. No jobs for us. His Uyghur neighbourhood is being demolished to make way for high-rises for the new Chinese migrants.
The limits on religion, on expression, on assembly, on their culture are so strong and so invasive that they provoke a lot of resentment.
Beijing says this year it's cracked 5 terrorist plots against the Olympics by Uyghur separatists, but has provided little evidence. One at Happiness Garden Apartments, where police claim they faced a hail of grenades and gunfire. Though when we visited, this was news to the neighbours. There was nothing at all, this woman told me. It was especially quiet. Then they took a whole bunch of people. The authorities have used the terror threat to justify a crackdown here. The danger for China, this will merely fuel the simmering resentment from a marginalised minority. Ian Williams, NBC News, Xinjiang.